In this video, I'm going to show you how to access NotebookLM. Okay, so the multiple ways in which you can access NotebookLM. NotebookLM is a Google product, so we can access it every time by just coming to notebooklm.google.com. Okay, so it will bring you over here. Of course, you have to log in any of your Google accounts. Now you can log in to access it. If you like, from any of your Google product, you can come to this Google Apps sign and you can click and you can check from the available applications that you have. And when you keep coming down, you should be able to see NotebookLM down here, and you can drag it and move it somewhere else if you are interested in moving it. So once you click, you are going to have access to NotebookLM as well. So the two methods of accessing NotebookLM are either you can go to the website by directly typing notebooklm.google.com, or you can come over to the apps and then scroll down till you meet NotebookLM and click on it. So you can access it. You just sign in with username and password and you have now access to NotebookLM. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.